Hi, get a 50% discount on our phase 2 land sales today. This is going to be a one-time lifetime opportunity for you. And I can bet that this may be your only chance to have an investment that you've ever dreamed of saying that it comes to reality easier than you ever thought. Now this is it. Get a plot of land either for a 2-bedroom bungalow, a 3-bedroom bungalow with a BQ, or a 4-bedroom duplex with a BQ as well, at a 50% discount, and then let's help you to get the bank to build it for you within a period of 6 to 12 months while you pay back to the bank over a period of 10 to 35 years. That's not just all yet. You have the option to clear the loan to avoid the 6% interest rate that you will be charged upon the funds that will be given to you. Of course, some people would say, what is 6% for a loan that takes about that takes at least 10 months to pay back? I would say you're right. And of course, it is a very brilliant thought, I must say. But beyond that, here is the bomb. I'm sure you have been hearing about the Federal Mortgage Bank housing loan for many years, and how it has recently been reviewed to accommodate most of you who have difficulties meeting the initial conditions. I think I have to explain it here. In the past, you will need a piece of land with a structure built to carcass or even completed before they can finance it for you. In the past too, they would have to grant the loans directly to the developers, who in most cases will decide to build whatever they want for you. Now the deal has totally changed. You are actually the role player, the major role player here. The facility in the first place will be given to you directly and then move to the developers you have chosen for them to execute the project for you. That leaves you with a choice, and of course gives you the major voice here, instead of the developers building whatever they want for you. But I want you to listen here again. The challenge is not for the money to be given, but for you to have a piece of land with all necessary documentation that can allow for the facility to be approved. This is why we are coming in to salvage the situation for you. Of course, most times, the challenge people have is getting a piece of land with the necessary documentation in place, as well as approvals relevant for construction, which forms the basic and most important criteria for assessing these mortgage facilities. So imagine you have this land ready for you, alongside the fact that you have a monthly income that can be proven uh, to be there with about 6 months bank statement as evidence. And all we need to do is to help you process the facility, obtain the necessary approvals, and build according to standard approvals obtained by us for you. Life is easy here. I'm sure you know that. And guess what? All you have to do at the end of the day is to monitor progress and move in as soon as the project is completed for you. I guess this has never been the case. And I must say, thanks to the new policies that have been impacting positively in the lives of the ordinary Nigerians. So this is what we have decided to do on our own part. Knowing fully that the government has done well, we are offering a 50% discount to our first 20 subscribers for the various designs I've mentioned that we have today, so that you can be able to take the first step of owning your own dream house. Now, this becomes your equity contribution to be able to access the loan facility. And listen here, in our phase 2 estate, we're offering plots for 3 different designs of structures that I've mentioned above. The first is a 2-bedroom bungalow, fully detached, at a cost of 500K per plot, which is about 250 square meters. And of course, the actual price is 1 million, but a 50% discount brings it to 500,000. The 3-bedroom bungalow fully detached is 1.6 million, but we're giving it at 800,000. While the 4-bedroom duplex fully detached with a BQ is given at 920,000 instead of 1.84 million. Of course, we have other available commercial plots within the estate, like the school, the clinic, the shopping mall, and It's up for whoever is interested in this investment. Now, this is what you're getting for this offer: an approved RFO for the entire property, which covers you too. You'll be given a sales agreement and plot allocation to cover for your loan request as part of the estate's subscribers. Furthermore, you'll be given an approved architectural design, building plan, plot survey indicating the coordinates of your plot, and an authority to proceed to the site for construction. But for you to be qualified for the facility after this stage, you will be expected to provide us with the details of your National Housing Fund's contribution details, or National Housing Fund contribution account details. Where you do not have one, we will provide you with the forms to fill so that you can open an account and get your account details for us to include you in our list of subscribers. To ascertain that you are getting into a proper real estate deal, we do not just collect funds. No, you are expected to follow these steps first. And once you're satisfied, you can then start the process. And this is what you should do first. Call the numbers on the screen, and if you're not in Nigeria currently or want to take advantage, then this is what to do. Call these numbers on the screen and schedule an online inspection of the site, which will be done via a video call with our staff. As for those in Nigeria and in Abuja precisely, it is very simple. What you need to do is simple. First and foremost, arrange with our staff and visit the property. Number two, if you are interested after visiting the property, pick up our form with necessary search documentations to enable you to conduct your independent search. I have always insisted on this, and it is just a must. After your search and you're satisfied, request for account details and make your payment, including a 10,000 naira fee for the forms and logistics. Number four, after payment and it is confirmed, you will be issued with a sales agreement, allocation letter, and a survey plan to move to site and establish your beacons. Number five, request for a date convenient for you to go and establish your beacon. Number six, provide us with the details of your NHF, and where unavailable, like I mentioned before, request for the account opening forms. Once all of these are achieved, you can then leave us with the rest. But before I go, I want to let you know that with the Federal Housing Development Support Program, this opportunity isn't for everyone. It's for people with a sure income stream to avoid losing out on this deal in future. It doesn't mean losing your money totally. It means you can't enjoy the facility. Now, on the other hand, investing in this one is a step in the right direction for you. If you're looking at a sure bet investment that has over 100% return on investment in a few years' time, please take the needed steps and call the numbers now to ensure you do not miss out on it. Let me leave you here, and I'm sure that by the time I come back again, I'll be unveiling more of these details. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.